In this question, we're told that Dion needs 50 grams of sugar to make 15 biscuits. She also needs 3 times as much flour as sugar and 2 times as much butter as sugar. We're told that Dion is going to make 60 biscuits, and in part A, we need to work out the amount of flour she needs. We can start by working out the amount of sugar, flour and butter that Dion needs to make 15 biscuits. We're told that she needs 50 grams of sugar. If she needs 3 times as much flour as sugar, the amount of flour she needs is 50 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 150 grams. We're told that she needs 2 times as much butter as sugar, and so the amount of butter she needs is 50 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 100 grams. But we're told that Dion is going to make 60 biscuits, and we need to work out the amount of flour she needs for 60 biscuits. We need to figure out what we need to multiply to go from 15 to 60. And so to get from 15 to 60, we multiply by 4. Now we only need to know how much flour she needs, so we don't need to multiply every single quantity, we just need to multiply the quantity for flour. And so the amount of flour that Dion will need for 60 biscuits would be 150 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 600 grams. And so we've now found that the amount of flour that Dion needs to make 60 biscuits is equal to 600 grams. Now in part B, we're told that Dion has to buy all of the butter she needs to make 60 biscuits, and she buys the butter in 250 gram packs. We need to find out how many packs of butter that Dion needs to buy. Well, first we need to find out how much butter she needs for 60 biscuits. We can go back to our diagram in part A to help us do that. We know that we need 100 grams of butter to make 15 biscuits. And so to make 60 biscuits, we'll need 100 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 400 grams of butter. So we now know that to make 60 biscuits, we need 400 grams of butter. Now if the butter comes in 250 gram packs, we need to find out how many packs of butter that Dion needs to buy. So to do this, we'll do 400, which is our total amount of butter, divided by 250, which is equal to 1.6. But this is where we need to be careful. Our final answer is not equal to 1.6 because we can't buy a decimal number of packs of butter. Well, this means that we need to round up. If we need 1.6 packs of butter, we need to buy 2 packs so that we have enough butter to make 60 biscuits. Now our answer is 1.6, and we said that we need 2 packs of butter so that we have enough to make 60 biscuits. And so we can write this down in our answer box below. Now this question is worth 5 marks. In part A, we get 1 mark for realising that the multiplier is 4, and so to get from 15 biscuits to 60 biscuits, we multiply by 4. We get the 2nd mark for attempting to do 150 multiplied by 4, which we can see over here. And we get the 3rd mark for getting our correct final answer that the amount of flour she needs to make 60 biscuits is equal to 600 grams. Now in part B, we get 1 mark for starting the process to do 400 divided by 250. And we get the 2nd mark in part B for realising that our answer of 1.6 means that she needs to buy 2 packs of butter. And so we get the 2nd mark for getting our final answer of 2. And so we've now achieved the full 5 marks needed in this question.